rally cars over there, look. Cool. Rally cars there, look. Woohoo! Yes, boy. Another one. Look at that beauty. And that one. Woo! There's another one there. Oh, lads. Hey, that's cool. There's another one there. Another one. Count the cars all the way home. There's a lads, huh? You're lucky machines, today's your lucky day. Them cars are epic. But them cars were going past my mate's house earlier actually, he was showing me videos of it. And now I have it on video, so happy days. Imagine it turned out I hadn't pressed record. Sick to bits. Fairly sure I have it on record though, now I'm paranoid. There's another one, you can see there's like a scraping along the road. No, it's not Bob. Not a rally car, it's a nice car. Oh, this looks nice now. Yeah, buddy. Get in there. Nice. Nice. Come bang off that. Cool, that's a lovely colour. I love that colour. Love that colour. Nice, there's more. Woo! On the boys, get in there. Nice. Nice. Come back off that. Oh yes, nice. This could take up the whole video, lads. Lads, I might have to do a separate video on these what you call it, on these rally cars. Jeez, there's so a load of them. I came down the right way anyway, that's for sure. Absolutely so load of them.